RIP hours of Figma and coding. This AI just designed a full project management app for me in under 2 minutes. All I did was type a prompt. Yes, you heard that right. With HeroUI, you can now build pixel-perfect, interactive websites just by chatting with an AI. Let me show you how crazy it gets. Step 1. Start with a prompt. Go to HeroUI.chat, click on Assistant, and simply describe what you want. You don't need to know design or code. Pro tip 1. Use reference images. If you want to replicate an existing design, just upload a screenshot. HeroUI will recreate it almost exactly. Pro tip 2. Use the prompt enhancer. If you're unsure how to describe your idea, type a short phrase and click Enhance. HeroUI adds structure, animations, layout, and even styling suggestions automatically. Pro tip 3. Import Figma designs. If you already have a Figma file, you can import it and continue editing with the AI agent. Now let's talk about some niche examples. Want a portfolio site for a filmmaker? Just ask for a cinematic, moody homepage with trailers, bios, and award highlights. HeroUI gets the tone just right. Want a site for your AI startup? Prompt it with official site for a generative AI company, and you'll get animations, use case sections, and product carousels. Want a luxury e-commerce experience like Dior? Ask for an elegant black and white design with soft transitions, a product grid, and minimalist typography. It looks premium out of the box. This is a game changer for indie hackers, designers, and even non-technical founders. No more struggling to describe your vision. No more blank pages. You can try HeroUI right now at HeroUI.chat. The link is in the description. I've also included full prompt examples. Reply prompts if you want the full list I used. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more walkthroughs of crazy AI tools. See you in the next one.